August 24th, in 1814, during the War of 1812, British forces captured Washington, D.C. and set fire to several important buildings, including the Capitol and the White House. This event was a turning point, showcasing the resilience of the American spirit. Despite the destruction, it ignited a sense of unity and determination among citizens to rebuild and protect their nation. Fast forward to today, we can reflect on how challenges can lead to growth and renewal. Let's honor our past while looking forward to a brighter future. Thank you for joining us.